A multi-dimensional blockchain and smart contract innovation driven by Kauri. Welcome back guys. Today we are going to discuss each and everything regarding Kaurium.net platform, and I will tell you that how you can purchase the tokens directly from this platform very easily. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the update. First of all, how you can sign up on this platform, it is entirely easy, and in maximum you can say 1 minute you can easily sign up on this platform. You just have to click on the login icon, then they will basically redirect you towards this page. Then you have to enter your name first of all, then your email address, your password, your confirmed password. Then you have to accept all the terms and condition, and then you have to click on create account. After that, they will send you a confirmation email with the confirmation link. You have to confirm that one email, and then you'll be able to sign in on the main platform of Kaurium. It is entirely easy. As you are going to do it, then you will be basically redirected towards this page. Here you can see it by yourself that right now how you can purchase token. First of all, what you have to do, here you can see it by yourself that right now phase 5 is ongoing, where basically 1 CWR is equal to 0.045 US dollars. And you have multiple options. It is not like this that you have only one option that you have to buy this token in BTC or Ethereum. You have multiple options to buy this token in multiple currencies. Now I will basically show you each and everything. Here you can see all the things are available over here. First of all, now you have to click on buy token now. First of all, when you are going to click on this link, basically a new page will basically open in front of you where you can see all the options: USD, Ethereum, LTC, XLM, BNB, Dash, BTC, XRP, BCH, TRX, even NGN. You have all the options to buy this token. For example, if I am going to choose Ethereum at this time, so what is the minimum thing, the minimum CWR tokens I can buy with Ethereum? Here you can see it by yourself that minimum buy is about 0.289 Ethereum. It means 1000 Kaurium, 1000 CWR tokens I can buy with 0.289 Ethereum. Right now I'm going to write it, for example, 1000, and then they are going to say okay. Then I have to click on make payment. When I'm going to click on make payment, they will basically redirected me towards the payment basically main section where I have to send my Ethereum. Then it is entirely easy for me to send my funds over there, and I can easily buy this CWR tokens. And secondly, I can withdraw all the tokens. Even you can withdraw all the tokens after the successful IEO, ICO. Then basically you will be able to release your all the tokens directly from this platform. As you can see by yourself that I choose only and only Ethereum from here. For example, if you want to buy this token directly in the TRX or in XRP, so you also have the options to basically buy it from there. Here you can see it by yourself. Now I am going to click the pay via crypto, BTC, Ethereum or LTC, or secondly I can basically click on the pay with coin payments. Now I am going to click on BTC and Ethereum. Now I am going to okay, you have to basically confirm it that I basically confirm up all the, you can say I am agree with all the main things of the platform. Then I'm going to click on buy token now. When I'm going to click on this the main option buy token now, then they basically redirected me towards the payment section where I have to send my 0.289 Ethereum, and then I'll be able to collect up my 1000 CWR tokens directly in the platform. And as I am telling you again and again that basically you'll be able to withdraw your CWR tokens after the successful ICO and IEO. Then you'll be able to basically withdraw all the tokens from the main platform to your personal accounts. Here you can see it by yourself that in the starting I will basically tell you very briefly. First of all, if you want to buy the tokens of Kaurium, it is entirely easy. You must have to sign up first of all. Here you can see it by yourself. Then basically they will send you the confirmation email. you have to confirm that one. Then you can simply log into this page, and then you have to click on buy token now, and then you have multiple options whatever you want to choose. As I choose only and only Ethereum option, so after basically choosing the Ethereum option, then you have to basically accept all the terms and condition. Then they will redirected you towards the payment section where you have to, they will give you the address where you have to send them payment 0.289 Ethereum, and they are going to send you 1000 CWR tokens where you can see your tokens. First of all, I will show you that very part mainly. Here you can see it by yourself that right now I have 0 CWR tokens in my main wallet. So when I am going to pay them 0.289 Ethereum, they are going to send me 1000 CWR tokens on this platform here, and all the tokens will basically show up here. So it is entirely easy for you to check that one. Now you can see it by yourself. I got the wallet address. Now you just have to copy this wallet address and you have to send 0.289 Ethereum directly on this address, and then they are going to send you 1000 CWR tokens. It is entirely easy for you. So you just have to basically copy this address, and after that here you can see insert your payment address and everything. You just have to enter your Ethereum wallet address from which you are sending this payment 0.289 Ethereum. You have to enter this here and you have to confirm the payment. So definitely after basically only and only 3 confirmations, you are going to get 1000 CWR tokens directly in your main account of Corium. So it is entirely easy. If you want to buy it, first of all, you must have to read each and everything regarding this platform, especially their white paper. Then you can easily purchase the tokens, and as I showed you, it is very simple to buy this token. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. And especially a simple thing which I am going to share with you at this time. Here you can see at this time the price is only and only 0.045 US dollars. It is nothing at this time because very soon you can see a huge plunge in the price. So it is your time to grab this token right now. Thanks a lot.